Assalamu alaikum, class 5. I hope all of you are fine. Okay, we'll start today's lecture. Today's lecture is about simple present and simple past tense. Okay, so side by side, I will be telling you about simple present and simple past. Clear? Okay, when do we use simple present tense and when do we use simple past tense? You can look at the screen. We use simple present tense when an action is happening right now or it happens regularly. Okay? When an action is happening in the present time, then we use simple present tense. Clear? For example, if I say school opens at 8 o'clock, so action is happening in the present time. So then we use simple present tense. Simple past. Now look at this. When do we use simple past tense? Simple past tense is used to talk about completed actions in a time before now जो action complete हो चुके हों. Like for time of action can be in recent past or far past. ठीक है? जो कुछ देर पहले ही complete हुए हों और जो बहुत पहले complete हो चुके हों far past. Recent past जो कुछ देर पहले complete हुए हैं और far past जो बहुत पहले complete हो चुके हैं. Right? So simple past tense is used to tell about the actions which are completed, जो complete हो चुके हैं. For example, right now if I say that I ate an apple in breakfast, right? It means I'm talking about morning time. Now this is afternoon, this is noon, and I'm talking about morning time. Clear? Okay. Okay, Maharaj is here. One student is here. I don't know why students are not joining English class. Students, if you have got the message, then please join English class. Okay, Maharaj, I'm repeating. You did not get present tense on that day, so I'm repeating it again. When do we use simple present tense? कब use करना है? When an action is happening right now or it happens regularly. For example, school opens at 8 o'clock. ठीक है? तो वो daily हो रहा है, regularly हो रहा है. ठीक है? Then we use simple present tense. Clear? When an action is happening in the present time, then we use simple present tense. When an action completed the time which has passed, ठीक है? For example, I celebrated my birthday 2 days ago. 2 दिन पहले मैंने अपनी birthday celebrate की थी. Clear? So action happened in the past. I took an apple in breakfast or I ate an apple in breakfast. It means this is noon time or for example afternoon, and I'm telling about morning time. So action is completed in morning time. Morning time में मैंने breakfast कर लिया था. Clear? So when we talk about actions which are happening in present time, then we use present tense. When we talk about actions which happen in past time or जो time गुजर गया है, then we use simple present tense. Sorry, simple past tense. In simple present tense, we use these to help. And in simple past tense, we use did. Okay. In simple present tense, we use do and does, these two helping verbs. And in simple past tense, we use did. There is only one helping verb in simple past tense, tense, that is did. When do we use do? Do is used with I, we, they, you, and plural subjects. For example, if there is subject girls or boys, then we'll use do with it. And does is used with he, it, and singular subjects. For example, if singular subject is boy or girl, then we use do. Sorry, does. And with he, she. Okay, students, class 5. There was internet problem. Okay, so you were talking about that two helping verbs are used in simple present tense and one helping verb is used in simple past tense. We use do with I, we, they, you, and plural subject. We use does with he, she, it, and singular subject. You can see examples. I have written their examples. Boys. After boys, we have used do. Okay? So it means do is used with plural subject. Boys is plural. Clear? Look at the second example. The boy does not play cricket. The boy is singular subject, and with singular subject we have used does. The boy does not play cricket. Look at the third sentence. She does not write a letter. Okay, she is singular subject or pronoun. She is pronoun, singular pronoun. And with she we have used does. ठीक है? Number 4. They do not write a letter. They is plural pronoun. ठीक है? They is plural pronoun, and with plural pronoun we have used do. They do not write a letter. Okay? And in simple past tense, if you see on the right side, then there is a column that is about simple past tense. Second column. Did is used with all the pronouns. Did सब pronouns के साथ use होता है. It is also used with singular and plural subjects. Boys, plural, did not play cricket. They, plural है, plural pronoun. They did not play cricket. I, singular pronoun, did not write a letter. She, again, singular pronoun, did not write a letter. You can see that with all singular and plural pronoun or subjects we have used did. सबके साथ did use हुआ है. But in simple present it is a bit different. यहाँ के rule जो है ना वो थोड़ा different है. With boys we have used do क्योंकि subject plural है तो हमने do use किया है. Okay? And where there is
टीचर
singular.
टीचर हमारी ना लाइट चली गई थी.
Okay, no problem, beta. You can listen on YouTube. if when I upload this video, then you can listen it on YouTube. ओके, बॉयज प्लूरल है, प्लूरल के साथ डू यूज करते हैं. द बॉय सिंगुलर है, सिंगुलर के साथ डज यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. In simple present tense with do and does, we use first form of verb. In simple past tense with did, we use first form of verb. ठीक है, did के साथ भी first form of verb use होगी, do और does के साथ भी first form of verb use होगी. Okay, now you have to listen carefully, students. Okay, those students who have joined now, we used helping verbs do and does in simple present tense. We use helping verb did in simple past tense. Okay, and we use first form of verb with do and does. We used first form of verb did. Did के साथ do और does के साथ भी first form of verb use होती है. Marriage, I hope that you are getting it now. Okay, first now look at the formation. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are those sentences which are except negative and interrogative sentences. Negative में not होता है, interrogative में helping verb जो है वो start में आता है, beginning में आता है. Clear? So affirmative sentences are except negative and interrogative sentences. Simple sentences जो होते हैं, जो बिल्कुल simple sentences होते हैं. For example, if you say I go to school daily, so it will be simple present tense. It is a regular action in present time that I go to school daily. Okay. Look at the formation of affirmative sentences. There will be subject. I hope that you can see on the screen that simple present, after simple present tense, I have written formation. Formation, there is first of all there is subject, then verb. Now the rule is a bit changed in affirmative sentences. ठीक है, यहाँ पे रूल बिल्कुल चेंज है अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग डू और डज इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. डू और डज जो है ना, ये नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है. डिड भी नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में यूज होता है. डू एंड डज आर नॉट यूज्ड इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. क्लियर? डू एंड डज आर नॉट यूज्ड इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है. Here the rule is different. We add s or es with the form of verb. ठीक है? In affirmative sentences, we do not use do or does, but we add s or es with the form of verb. Verb की first form के साथ s or es add करते हैं. Right? As I have written here, in affirmative sentences, we use first form of verb and we add s or es with first form of verb. If the subject is singular, अगर subject singular होगा तो verb की first form के साथ s और es add होगा. Okay, if the subject is singular, then we'll add s or es with first form of verb in affirmative sentences. In simple past, we start affirmative sentences with subject. There will be subject, then we use second form of verb in affirmative sentences of simple past. Okay, as do and does are not used in affirmative sentences of simple present, the same way did is not used in affirmative sentences of simple past. ठीक है, do और does भी affirmative sentences में use नहीं होते, तो फिर did भी affirmative sentences में use नहीं होता. Okay, तो फिर क्या यूज होता है? सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस ऑफ सिंपल पास्ट. पास्ट के अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज होती है. देन इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस वी यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब विद सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स एंड प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स, दोनों के साथ सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, Now let me tell you examples of it. Okay, look at this. Simple present. On left side, there's one column on left side and one column is on right side. Look at the left column. Examples are that tailor, singular subject, stitch is verb. तो फिर हमने क्या ऐड किया stitch के साथ? es. We have added es with stitch. Okay, because this is affirmative sentence. Tailor stitches the clothes. Okay, subject is singular, tailor. Because the subject is singular, that's why we have added es with the form of verb. Okay, in second sentence, she plays with dolls. You can see pronoun is singular. She is singular pronoun, so we have added s with play. She plays with dolls. Clear? Look at the third sentence. My father. My father is singular subject, and we have added s with read. Verb is read. We have added s with it. ठीक है? My father is singular subject and verb is read. तो फिर read के साथ क्या use किया है? S. My father reads newspaper daily.
Daily. Teachers.
Teacher teaches the students. Okay. Teacher is singular. Teach is the verb because it is affirmative sentence. So here with verb we have added es. So teacher teaches the students. Clear? So these are the rules of simple present affirmative sentences. Simple present के जो affirmative sentences हैं ये उनके रूल हैं जिनमें हम yes और s add करते हैं. Okay? Are you clear till here? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? Okay, now I'm going to talk about simple past tense. Okay, what did I tell you that we use second form of verb in simple past tense? Okay, I told you that we use second form of verb in affirmative sentences of simple past tense. Okay. We went to museum yesterday. So went is second form of verb. I ate an apple in breakfast. Ate is second form of verb. She wrote a letter. Wrote is second form of verb.
Video chala.
Teacher. Teacher taught the students. Taught is second form of verb. Okay. Yashad, I'm watching you, beta. Don't do this. Yashad and Manahed. Turn on cameras, Yashad and Manahed. Yashad and Manahed, turn on cameras. I'm continuously watching you. Please don't do this. Okay, so taught is second form of verb. In affirmative sentences of simple past, we use second form of verb. In affirmative sentences of simple present, we add s or es with the first form of verb. I hope that you have got it. If you have not got it, then after the lecture, you can listen this video on YouTube again. Okay, now we are going to talk about negative sentences. यहाँ पे do use होगा और does use होगा. Clear? And in simple past tense, we'll use did. Look at the formation. Subject. Then after subject, we'll be using do not. Then first form of verb. As I have told you that we use first form of verb with do and does. And then there will be object. Look at the formation of simple past. First of all, there will be subject, then did not, and did के साथ भी first form of verb use होती है. Okay, first form of verb and an object. Okay, in negative sentences we use do or does after subject. Subject के बाद do or does use करते हैं. And after do or does, we used first form of verb. Okay. And in simple past tense, after subject we use did, then not, क्योंकि negative sentence है not use करेंगे. Then we'll use first form of verb because we use first form of verb with did. And then we'll use object. In negative sentences, we use did after subject, and after did, we use first form of verb. Look at the examples. Negative sentences. Tailors, plural, subject. Plural subject के साथ do use करना है. I have told you here. Here. Look at this. I told you here that does is used with singular subject and do is used with plural subjects. Okay. So plural
मैंने आपको कहना था उर्दू का इंग्लिश नहीं पूरा हुआ.
What are you talking about?
टीचर मैंने आपको कहना था कि इंग्लिश का उर्दू नहीं पूरा हुआ.
What is meant by
टीचर
this? Zainab, I will listen to you.
टीचर मेरी बात तो सुनो. टीचर मैंने आपको कुछ नहीं कहा. ये मेरी छोटी बहन है आके बार बार मुझे.
Okay. Tailors is plural subject and with plural subjects we have used do. Okay. Look at the second sentence. She singular pronoun. Singular के साथ फिर क्या बताया था मैंने? Does use होगा. She does not play with dolls. My father is singular, so we'll use does with it. My father does not read newspaper daily. Teacher again singular. फिर singular के साथ क्या use करेंगे? Does not teach the students. Okay. With tailors क्योंकि plural है, we have used do with it. And my father is singular, we have used does with it. ठीक है. Plural के साथ do use होगा. Singular subject के साथ does use होगा. You look at right column, that is about simple past tense. We did not go. You can see that with did.
मैंने आपको कहना था कि मेरा.
You can see that with did we have used first form of verb, that is go. तो पहले हमने क्या यूज किया था affirmative sentences में? Went यूज किया था ना? Second form of verb. Now here in negative sentences rule is different. Did आ गया है. So with did we'll use first form of verb. Okay. We did not go to museum yesterday. I did not eat an apple. With did we'll use first form of verb, that is eat. I did not eat an apple in breakfast. Number 3, she did not write a letter. Did and first form write. Next, teacher did not teach. Did and teach is first form of verb. Teacher did not teach the students. We use first form of verb with did in negative sentences, but in affirmative sentences we use second form of verb. Have you got? I have repeated the same sentences in negative. ठीक है. इन्हीं sentences को मैंने negative बनाया है. You can see here in affirmative sentences, here is second form of verb. If you can look at the screen, went, ate, wrote, taught. Okay. But in negative sentences, it is go, eat, write, and teach. Okay. Now look at interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, helping verbs will be in the beginning and after helping verbs there will be subject. Okay. Now look at the column that is on right side, second column. It is simple past. In simple past, helping verb did will be in the beginning. Then there will be subject. Then there will be first form of verb and then there will be object. Okay. The position of a helping verb and subject will be changed. Subject की और helping verb की जो position है ना यहाँ पे वो change हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे जो पोजीशन है ना डू स्टार्ट में आ जाएगा और टेलर्स जो है वो बाद में चला जाएगा. ठीक है. डू एंड टेलर्स दीज विल बी रीप्लेस्ड. इनकी पोजीशन चेंज हो जाएगी. Yes, you can see here examples of interrogative sentences. Do, helping verb. It will be in the beginning. After do, there is subject tailors. Okay, because subject is plural, so we have used do with it. Do tailors not stitch the cloths. Clear? Now look at the second sentence. Helping verb
Teacher,
will be in the beginning. Helping verb will be in the beginning. I told you in interrogative sentences, helping verb will be in the beginning. Does is used in the beginning. After does there is she because it is singular pronoun. That's why we have used does with it. Clear? Does she not play with dolls? Look at the third sentence. Does is used in the beginning because it is interrogative sentence. And my father is subject. It is singular
teacher,
subject with singular subjects. We have
teacher,
yes.
simple. ये सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस के अंदर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है डू टेलर्स नॉट स्टिच द क्लॉथ क्या ये
What?
सवाल है इट इज अ क्वेश्चन
Which one, Marriage?
मींस द फर्स्ट वन
Yes, it is question. There will be question mark at the end. Yes.
इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ओके मिस ओके टीचर ओके
Okay, if you want to ask something else, you can ask me, okay? Okay. I told you do will be used with plural subject. Do
टीचर
tailor के साथ use होगा.
टीचर
जी.
टीचर
If
ये
you are not getting, you
सिंपल
can ask me.
नहीं ये सिंपल सिंपल प्रेजेंट और सिंपल पास्ट है जी
Yes.
इनकी तो मुझे समझ आ गई पर आपने इनको रेड कलर में क्यों लिखा हुआ है
Beta, because these are helping verbs, and I wanted to tell you that with helping verb we use which form of verb. ठीक है, कौन सी form of verb use होती है उसको और helping verb को मैंने highlight किया है red में. ठीक है, so that you may know that with did we use first form of verb, with do we also use first form of verb. Okay, that's why I have highlighted it.
और टीचर मैंने आपको एक बात बतानी थी कि मेरा जो वर्कबुक का काम है ना वो थोड़ा सा कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ हुआ
Okay, we will be revising it, beta. If you tell me exercises, which exercises are not done by you, then we'll do it again. Okay. I hope that you have got about.
टीचर मैं आपको अभी बता दूं
Let me complete lecture. After lecture, you will be telling, or you will be telling on school number. Okay. स्कूल के नंबर पे बता दीजिएगा मिस सोबिया को. ठीक है ज़ैनब?
नहीं टीचर बस मेरा ना थोड़ी
Let me complete lecture, Zainab. And after lecture, you can tell Miss Sobia on school number. School के number पे उन्हें WhatsApp कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है? Okay. Third sentence, does. My father is singular. With singular, we have used does. Again, last sentence, does and teacher. Does teacher not teach the student? Does. And you can see with does we have used singular subject. Subject भी हमारा singular है. और teach जो है वो भी first form of verb है teach. Clear? And you can see in second column that is about simple past we have used first form of verb with did or go, did or eat, did के साथ first form of verb write, and again did के साथ teach use किया है. ठीक है? Go, eat, write and teach, all these are first form of verb which we have used with did. ठीक है? So it means कि did के साथ first form of verb use होती है. Did we not go to museum yesterday? Did I not eat an apple in the breakfast? Did she not write a letter? Or did teacher not teach the students? Okay, you can see that it is a combination of interrogative and negative. ठीक है, इसमें negative भी है और ये interrogative भी है. If I remove not, did we go to museum yesterday? Or did I eat an apple in breakfast? You can see the changes. You can see the changes which I'm going to make. Did she write a letter, or did teacher teach the students? I hope that Marriage has got it. If you have got it, then please raise your hand. Marriage, have you got it? If you want to ask something. Yes,
Yes,
Marriage,
Miss, I will
something.
got.
Okay. Uh, have you got about simple present and simple past? Both tenses. Have you got about both tenses?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, fine. If any one of you have not got about these tenses, then after the lecture, this video will be uploaded on YouTube. You can listen to it again. Okay, so time is about to over. Let me repeat it. When do we use simple? I'm going to repeat it, students, because time is about to
Umar.
over. We use simple present tense when an action is happening right now or happens regularly. For example, Marriage comes to school daily. अगर मैं कहती हूँ Marriage comes to school daily, so it means कि regular action हो रहा है और daily हो रहा है.
वाह वाह
ठीक है? So this is present time action. Simple past. We use um, simple past for the actions which completed a few hours ago or a few minutes ago. For example, in a war which completed in recent past or far past. Got it?